I am Raja Saboo, member of the Rotary Club of Chandigarh in India. When I joined Rotary, I started with thinking that I'm coming to a new community and through that I will have networking, get to know the people. It took time for me to understand what Rotary is for.
1, 2, 3.
How do you value the time of these doctors who gave up their practice to come and work in not so easy conditions? I want to tell Rotarians, you don't need to be a surgeon to go and do what you're doing. You can just donate your skills for a day or a couple of days, and that could make a difference to many people.
People in India are poor. Our needs are plenty. But here was a change in attitude that even if you are poor, we are able to give something to others. One should have hands-on experience. It changes your life, it changes your perspective.
I like the way we share our knowledge. It's really helpful.
We are training the doctors who are here, and that knowledge, we are passing that benefit to the patient who are here.
Because of the work that you and your team are doing, all of us stand in your shadow and we, our own image.
And this is the way we can touch people.
One, 2, 3. Good, you're done. Finish. Very good.
I'm quite amazed by the enthusiasm and the commitment to give up so much of their time to lead teams like this.
We don't count numbers, we count the human lives.
I think it's a fantastic example for all of us. The satisfaction that you get cannot be paid for by money.
To me and my wife Usha, this is what I call the elixir of life. It gives us the renewed energy.